In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company wiki with Microsoft SharePoint 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, searchable knowledge hub your whole organization can use. Start by opening your organization's SharePoint homepage. Once you're in, look for the option to create something new and choose Create Site. When SharePoint asks what kind of site you want, pick Communication Site. This type is designed for broad information sharing, which makes it perfect for a wiki or knowledge base. It's optimized for clear reading, attractive layouts, and reaching a wide audience rather than small team collaboration. Next, decide whether to start from a blank communication site or use one of the built-in templates. A template can give you a head start with a pre-built layout, while a blank site gives you full control over structure and design. Either choice works for a wiki. Give your site a clear, recognizable name such as Company Wiki or Knowledge Base. A descriptive name helps people find it and understand its purpose at a glance. You can also add a brief description to set expectations, like what types of content belong here. When you're ready, proceed to the next screen and confirm by selecting Create Site. SharePoint will provision the site for you in a moment. With the site in place, create a new blank page that will serve as your standard article layout. Add placeholders for the elements you'll use again and again, a spot for a banner or image at the top, text areas for an introduction and step-by-step guidance, and a section that highlights expert contacts so readers know who to reach out to with questions. Save this page as a template so every wiki article has a consistent look and feel. That consistency makes content easier to scan and maintain. Now start adding real content to your pages. Use the text web part for your main explanations and summaries. For longer procedures, organize details with collapsible sections so readers can expand only what they need. When you have training clips, demos, or reference files, bring them in with the embed or file viewer web parts so everything lives in one place. As your wiki grows, connect related articles. In modern SharePoint, you can link by selecting text and pasting the page's URL, or by using the link tool to search for the page by name and insert it directly. Cross-linking makes navigation intuitive and keeps knowledge discoverable. When your page is ready, hit publish or republish if you've made updates to make it visible. That's it. Your SharePoint-powered company wiki is up and ready to scale.